Interface's precision force measurement solutions play a crucial role in facilitating scientific research and development for deep space explorations. This renewed interest in space exploration has created new technologies that still affect humans here on Earth, both impacting and improving life for humans daily. As technology continues to advance, so does the reliance on custom sensors. Global aircraft, spacecraft, military, and defense companies rely on Interface load cells for thrust, wing, static, and fatigue testing. While structural test applications utilize many types of low-profile load cells, Interface load pins, load shackles, load washers, load button load cells, and mini load cells are also used for standard for test, production, and control monitoring applications. More advanced applications need Interface's sensors such as Earth observation, space tourism, launch services, space manufacturing, and space mining, among others. Because testing is so inherent for these space applications, Interface products provide reliability and accuracy when there are no exceptions. Our measurement solutions contribute to the advancements made in this dynamic sector of the growing space economy sector.